Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to get dynamic island on Motorola G15. So this device doesn't have a dynamic island by default, so we will need to go into Google Play Store, tap on search bar, and the app that we're going to use is called Dynamic Spot. Now install the app. Okay, now we can go ahead and open the app. Next. Done. My bad, not done, but you have to tap on every one of these axes, like each one of them, and let's start with the top one. Now select dynamic spot, and now we may go back, and we have to do this with each X. So tap on the second dynamic spot and allow, and now on the third X, allow once again, next, and again search for dynamic spot and allow. In this case it's dynamic spot, just enable it. Okay, now just hit on done. I can skip this part. Okay, now the first thing that I prefer to do is going to general, my bad, not general, but appearance, and change the color to white, so it's easier to set up the position of our bar. So now we go in position, and as you can see, it's pretty well centered, but I would make it a bit bigger, not horizontal, not this one on the right, but vertical. Make it a bit bigger. Now put it also a bit higher, right? And in my opinion it looks pretty okay right now. Now we can just go back into appearance and change the color to black. It's pretty unfortunate. Okay, skip video. Come on. Okay, black. And if you press on this icon, it's going to show you a demo of how it's going to look like. So yeah, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.